Hello, lovely people. Wagwan. So, okay. Take two. Hello, lovely people. Wagwan. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this Valentine's Day look. It's like a pretty yet subtle Valentine's Day look. And I'm really feeling it, you know. I really do like it a lot, like a lot. So if you want to see how I did this look, just stick around. I'm using my e.l.f. blending eye brush, by the way. Next, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, this end of the brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and use ginger, and I'm gonna add that above the crease, and I'm gonna kind of blend out Big Wig. Also, I'm gonna like blend them seamlessly together. Accidentally took credit instead of ginger to put above the crease. So now it's actually a little bit of ginger and a little bit of credit above Big Wig. I don't know, today has been one of those days, so hopefully the look still turns out the way I want it to. I'm not gonna be doing a cut crease today. Like, I'm kind of over cut creases right now. So I feel like with every look I'm doing a cut crease, but I am gonna kind of carve out the lid similar to a cut crease because I want to add wigglies to the lid. So I just added a little bit of the NYX base to prepare the eyelid and then a little bit of powder to set it. So now I'm gonna add wigglies. Wigglies, wigglies, wigglies. Wigglies, wigglies. Wigglies, wigglies. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna press it on there first because I want to get the shape. And then I'm gonna sweep it across the lid. And I went back in and blended out above the crease some more because it was looking a little too dark with the look. It wasn't going how I planned. So now it looks a lot better. Okay, so, and what's going on with the coronavirus, y'all? Like, I'm scared to go out for Valentine's Day. Because, like, you know, everyone has masks on now and gloves. And I'm like, okay, like, should I have a mask and a glove too? To be honest, I don't think the mask doesn't do anything. Gloves, yeah, but no, I'm gonna go out for Valentine's Day. I am. Obviously, I'm filming this before Valentine's Day, but I am gonna go out on the actual day. I'm not gonna let the coronavirus scare me. You gotta live your life, right? All right. And by the way, I wanted to keep this look on the easier, simpler side. And y'all, I'm thinking about changing my recording setup because I want to start like sitting down and doing, you know, and doing my makeup and like talking to you instead of like doing it in my bathroom where I always do it. It's convenient for me, but I think I should start like sitting down. So there's like a back room in my house that I think I'm going to turn into my recording area. And then hopefully I can even do a video and show the before and after because you don't want to see how it looks back there. It looks a little crazy. I'm just adding the Fenty bronzer, you know, my favorite bronzer to warm up the face. I just added my Sephora liner. Let me tell you, when you add this to your eyes just instantly pop, I'm telling you. do it. And I'm just adding a hint of Supreme. It's like this pink shade right here under my waterline. Just a hint. You can't really see it on camera, but it makes a difference in person. I'm adding a little bit of pinker also in the inner corner. I added a liner on this eye already. Gotta add it on this one and some mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and add these Kiss lashes. They're very full. They're called Paparazzi and they were only $2.99. And let me tell you something, when I get my lashes, I reuse them. I wear them over and over and over again until I can't wear them anymore. So I get my money's worth, all right? These lashes smell weird. I mean, no wonder they were $2, $2.99. All right, I'm gonna put them on, but you know, if the next day my eyes start itching or I come on here talking about I can't see, you know what happened. Okay, yeah, let me add my mascara and then the lashes. I'll be right back. And I'm gonna add some highlight as well. And I'm gonna do my lips as well. I'm gonna do the hair. I'm just gonna come back with the full face. So I'll be right back, all right? Okay, I'm back with the final look. Okay, I really, gotta get the flyaways. I really like the way it turned out, and I was thinking like, you know, I got all dolled up and it's not Valentine's Day, but I'm gonna go out because I'm not wasting this look. So we're gonna go to the movies and hopefully watch, and yes, I know this is a little extra for the movies, but listen, you gotta, what do you say? You have to kill two birds with one stone, right? Yeah, this is the final look, guys. I really do like the way it turned out. I actually love it. So I'm gonna give you a close-up. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I did. Girl, you can't talk. Like, what's up? What's up?